How to install Trend Micro on iPhone. Step 1. Open the App Store and search Trend Micro Mobile Security. Step 2. Tap Get, then tap Install in the prompt to proceed. Step 3. Once the application is installed, launch the application. Step 4. Tap Allow to enable notifications. Check the I agree to share user usage data to help improve this app. Step 5. Tap Accept and continue. Step 6. Now, go ahead and activate your subscription from the settings page. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirusdeals.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.